Hello everyone, my name is English and I am pursuing my BE Electrical Engineering from MSS College of Engineering Technology in China. And now currently I am intern in EMERTXE Information Technology and doing an internship based on embedded system. And we have built a project during this internship called as Black Box, Car Black Box, based on software Pixie, SimLab and MPLab X IDE. This project is done by two members. One is Yogesh Paul and second one is Nachiket Nande. Next, moving toward the content. Content consists of topics learned during the internship, introduction, what is the car block requirements, microcontroller and microprocessor, LC, CLCD, battery keypad, ISR, timer. Now, moving towards the introduction. Car black box is a small device installed in a car to monitor the activities in the car, such as monitoring mileage, location of device, recording event data, thus enhanced security. Now moving towards the topics learned during the internship. Introduction to C language, arrays and pointers, functional strips, storage classes, conditional loops and operations, embedded system and microcontrollers. That's it. What is car block? A black box is either physically installed in a car or downloaded as a smartphone app. It links to a GPS device that measures and records vehicle state, location, distance, travel, during frequency, and time of day the car is in motion. Also known as Event Data Recorder EDR or Accident Data Recorder EDR. Requirements for projects. MPLabs X LDE X8 compiler, PIC SimLab, PICI 8F877A, 16 into 2 LCCD, MKB, timer 2, tactile switch. Now towards microcontroller and microprocessor. Microprocessor consists of only a central processing unit, whereas microcontroller contains a CPU, memory, and IO all integrated into one chip. Microprocessor is used to personal computers, whereas microcontroller is used in embedded system. Microprocessor uses an external bus to interface to RAM, ROM, and other peripherals. On the other hand, the microcontroller uses an internal controlling bus. Microprocessors are used based on the Newman model. Microcontrollers are based on Harvard architecture. Microprocessor is a complicated and expensive with a large number of instructions to process, but the microprocessor is inexpensive and straightforward with fewer instructions to process. Now we have discussed about CLCD, character liquid crystal display. In the PLC sim lab, there are two types of displays. In display, the axis character and some special character. 16 into 2 displays, 16 into 4 displays. It is the most commonly used display. Two types of communication modes, 4 bits mode, 8 bits mode. MKP, matrix keypads. This is a keypad in which several tactile switches are connected in row and column concept. This is used when more user inputs are required and still want to save some controller lines. These keypads are most commonly used in telephones, calculators, digital lockers, etc. Now we are discuss ISR, Interrupt Service Routine. An ISR is a software routine that hardware invokes in response to an interrupt. ISR attends to the request of an interpreting source by clearing the interrupt flag and should save register contents that may be affected by the code in the ISR. It must terminate it with the instruction ready. When an interrupt occurs, the MPU completes the instruction being executed, then it disables global interrupt enables. Place the address from the program counter on the stack. Timers. Timers in an important application in any embedded system, which is a default peripheral that maintains the timing of the operation. It syncs with the system clock or an external clock. It has many applications such as measuring time and generating delays, etc. Timer counter is a software designed to count the time interval between the events. Now discuss the working principle of car black box. When the car black box is an on state, the CLCD display the event which are followed by the current time and speed. On pressing key 4 or 5 in matrix keypad or switch 4 or 5 enter password screen in display. After entering the correct password, three options are displayed on the LCD display. Working. View log, clear log, change password. There are total 3 attempts assigned to the user to enter the correct password. If the user enters the wrong password, it gets blocked for 60 seconds. SW4 and SW5 are also used as the up and down keys. The view log records the event going on in the car black box. There are total of 8 events, includes the ONS, ONC, GN, GR, G1, G2, G3, G4, and so on, which are nothing but car gear changing events along with the event time is also recorded using RTC and also speed of the car with potentiometer E1 ANO. The clear loop clear the recorded logs, change password will change the password of the controller. All these options are selected with the next to the option by pressing HW6. The conclusion of this project, the car black box technology requires learning and understanding. Car black box will update according to the technology and most likely candidates for future production scale applications will take full advantage of the unique characteristics of car black box.